Why is practicing singing dismal, boring, and hard? Here are 5 practice secrets pros use that will make practicing singing easier and motivating. Hi, I'm Chuck Gilmore, founder of Power to Sing and the Second Nature Singing System. If you are new here, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when I post the next video. We've all been there, right? We've all experienced these moments when practicing singing has been the last thing we wanted to do. But practicing singing is easy and fun. Here are 5 practice secrets professionals use to make it not just easy, but exciting. First of all, when you know you should practice, why is it so hard to start? Here are some reasons. Number 1, there's no immediate reason to practice. In other words, if there is nothing pressing, it's easy to procrastinate. I'll do it tomorrow, we say, but we never do. Number 2, you don't feel any progress, so it seems the exercises aren't doing anything. And you are right. Most of the time, they don't unless you are doing exercises for your unique vocal needs. More about that in a minute. Exercises are just boring and monotonous. Reason number 4, you don't know what to practice. And number 5, you don't know if you're practicing correctly. Okay, so here are 5 things pros do to make practicing singing easier. First, to give you a reason to practice, commit to sing somewhere. Go to an open mic, schedule an audition, be in a musical, sing in church, sing for a family gathering, sing your national anthem at an event, upload a video of you singing to social media. It's amazing how motivated you are when you have a gig coming up. Number 2, if you don't feel any progress, do exercises for your vocal type that address specific needs in your voice. I did exercises for years with little or no difference in my voice. Within 5 minutes of doing exercises for my vocal type, I made amazing progress. If you don't know your vocal type, here's a link to take a simple test, or you can get the link in the description below this video. Take the test and get your vocal type. Then practice exercises designed for your vocal type. These designer exercises are all part of Pillar 1 in the Second Nature Singing System. Number 3, when exercises are boring, change around your practice sessions. If you only have 15, 20, or 30 minutes, practice 15, 20, or 30 minutes. 15 minutes daily is better than an hour once a week. Do 30 minutes one day, 15 and 20 minutes the next session. Number 4, if you don't know what to practice, do the exercises for your vocal type. Then practice a song you want to sing. Memorize the lyrics, study the sheet music, and/or sing with YouTube or Spotify. Record your practice session, listen to it, and record yourself practicing again. Listen to how you are doing the exercises and the song. If you struggle on a high note, substitute the lyrics with the exercises. This is a great way to get the notes right. Then put the lyrics back into the song. Number 5, if you're not sure you're doing the exercises or songs correctly, save time and money and take a lesson from a teacher you know can help. You'll save a lot of time by having a teacher listen to what you're doing and giving you feedback. What are some ways you've found motivation to practice singing? Share your best strategy in the comment section below. Practice like a pro. Commit to sing somewhere. Do designer exercises that give you results. 3, vary your practice sessions. 4, practice songs. And 5, take a lesson from a professional teacher. Do these and watch your singing practice become easy and fun. Be sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your practice strategy in the comments. You can also join me at Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Power to Sing. I'm Chuck Gilmore with Power to Sing. For you, practicing singing can be second nature.